Look at one small sum that account for change in the profit sharing ratio between the partners. Pankaj and Ronak are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses equally. They decide to change their profit sharing ratio for future and it is agreed to be 2:1 respectively. Find the share in profits sacrificed by the partners. So how much sacrifice is made by each partner is to be worked out. Now, partners are old share in profit of Pankaj, 1/2, and that of Ronak is also 1/2. New share in profit is what? 2:1, so Pankaj 2/3 and 1/3. Now, what is the formula for share sacrificed? Share in profit sacrificed. See, that formula is known as old share minus new share. So, share sacrificed by a partner is equal to old share in profit less new share in profit. Now, old share of Pankaj was 1/2. New share of Pankaj is 2/3. So, 1/2 minus 2/3. So, that is 3 ones are 3 minus 4. So, minus 1/6. So, here the sacrifice of Pankaj is not positive but negative. And when the sacrifice is negative, it means that Pankaj has not sacrificed share in profit but has gained share in profit under reconstruction of a partnership firm. Otherwise also they were equal partners of 50%, 50%. Now they have changed their profit sharing ratio 2:1, so 66 and 2/3 to 33 and 1/3%. So previous share in profit was 50%, now his share in profit is 66 and 2/3. So from 50 to 66 and 2/3, has he sacrificed or gained? He has gained share in profit. So here 1/6 is negative. That means Pankaj has not sacrificed but gained share in profit. Now in case of Ronak, old share is 1/2, new share is 1/3. So 1/2 minus 1/3, 3 minus 1, 1/6. Here the difference is positive. So Ronak has sacrificed. So Ronak sacrifices 1/6. So whatever the profit is sacrificed is always equal to the share gained by other partners. So total of sacrifice and total of gain is always same in case of reconstitution of a partnership firm. So here 1/6 is the sacrifice and 1/6 is the gain. That's an important point to be noticed by the students. Remember one thing, the negative sign denotes that Pankaj has not sacrificed share in profit but has gained share in profit. Now the same result we can work out by using the formula for gain. Now formula for gain is the same result, same understanding can be made clear by two ways. One by using the formula for sacrifice and second by using the formula for share gain. Now I want to solve the same sum by using the formula for share gain. Look at it. Pankaj and Ronak, old share is 1/2 and 1/2. New share is 2/3 and 1/3. Now I am going to use the formula for share gain. Share gain by a partner is equal to new share in profit less old share in profit. Now in case of Pankaj, new share is 2/3, old share is 1/2. So new share 2/3 minus 1/2. So 1/6 is the positive outcome. So this is a gain formula. So 1/6 is the gain of Pankaj. Now I apply the same formula for Ronak. New share in profit less old share in profit. New share is 1/3, old share is 1/2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 minus 3/6. So minus 1 by 6. Now see, gain is negative. When the gain is negative implies that there is a sacrifice. So here Ronak has sacrificed. So notice the negative sign denotes that Ronak has not gained share in profit but has sacrificed the share in profit. Here also the same thing. The total share sacrificed by the partners and total share gained by other partners is always equal. So 1/6 is the sacrifice and 1/6 is the gain. Here Pankaj has gained 1/6 share while Ronak has sacrificed 1/6 share in profit. This is how reconstitution of firm is explained.